Mi AirDots Pro 2s with 24-hour battery life launched at 399 Yuan. Xiaomi has launched its latest true wireless earbuds, Mi AirDots Pro 2s in China. The TWS earbuds succeed Xiaomi's Mi AirDots Pro 2 that got launched last year. The Mi AirDots Pro 2s comes with 14.2mm drivers and Bluetooth 5.0 in terms of connectivity with support for LDHC, SBC, and AAC codecs. There are touch controls for easily switching tracks and adjusting volume. The earbuds follow a semi-in-ear design that Xiaomi claims would give you a comfortable fit. If you're using a phone running MyUI, the earbuds will automatically show you a prompt to connect as soon as you open the case. It equips dual microphones for environmental noise cancellation (ENC) and smart voice controls. The earbuds support wear detection and hence, it automatically pauses media when you remove them from your ears, a feature that is getting standardized in earbuds these days. In terms of battery playback time, the Mi AirDots Pro 2s offers 5 hours of playback that extends up to 24 hours with the USB-C charging case that also supports Qi wireless charging. In comparison, the AirDots Pro 2 offers 4 hours of playback that maxes out at 14 hours with the charging case. Xiaomi claims the earbuds completely charges in 1 hour via wired mode. Coming to pricing and availability, the Mi AirDots Pro 2s is priced at 399 Yuan, which roughly translates to 4,200 rupees or $56. It will be available in white color variant from the 9th of April through Mi.com in China. There is no word on the earbuds' availability in India at this moment.